Hey everyone, it's a gorgeous sunny day here in Milton, and I'm taking you along to one of our beautiful local parks. Let's soak up the sunshine, enjoy the fresh air, and see what makes this little spot so special. And guess what? Today I'm also baking a fresh homemade bread. Right here in my kitchen, the smell, the warmth, it's pure comfort. Stick around to see how this golden loaf comes to life. Hi, this is Afshin and welcome to Lifestyle by Sheens. Here we explore everyday adventures, cozy moments, and a sprinkle of creativity. So grab your tea, get comfy, and let's make today a little more beautiful together. Before baking, I made a quick stop at the grocery store. Grabbed some fresh flour, yeast, eggs, according to my recipe, and a few other goodies to make the perfect bread loaf. Making bread always reminds me how life works. You start with simple ingredients like flour, water, yeast, just like the basic experiences in our life. But it's the patience, the mixing, the waiting that transforms them into something beautiful. We cannot rush the process, whether it's bread or our own growth. Good things always take time, and a little bit of love in the mix never hurts. And just like bread dough, life needs its quiet moments. That resting time when nothing seems to be happening on the surface is often when the real magic is taking place inside. You know what? We live in such a fast paced world that we forget how important it is to pause, to let ideas rise, to give ourselves space to grow. Every challenge we go through is like the kneading. It's tough, it stretches us, but it builds strength and resilience. And when the time is right, we step into the warmth just like the oven. And that's when we become the best version of ourselves. So maybe baking bread isn't just about food, it's a little reminder of how to live. Kneading the dough feels almost therapeutic. It's like working out life's little stresses with every push and fold. The more love you put in, the softer and better the bread will be. Just adding the final touch, a sprinkle of sesame seeds and black clonji. Not only will this give a beautiful look, but it will also add that nutty aromatic flavor we all love. And now, into the oven it goes. This is the moment of truth, where all that mixing, kneading, and waiting finally turns into something golden, warm, and delicious. And here it is, fresh out of the oven. The golden crust, the soft inside, and that smell. Hmm, absolutely heavenly. This is pure homemade happiness right here in my kitchen. And then we have decided to go somewhere. And here we go. We went to Lowville Park. Ajay? And this was the beautiful end of the day, where I spent quality time with my friends. Try the recipe of red loaf and let me know in comments how did you find it, and enjoy the summertime outdoors as much as you can. Click on notification bell and do subscribe my channel. See you next time in my next vlog. Take care. Bye bye.